This is a Yose Power e-bike battery in a Hailong case. If you want to get an idea of the electrical state of it without it being connected to anything, there's an LED panel at the front, but remember, you need to switch it on. So if it's like that, the panel won't work. On. It's very basic, just LED lights. I think that's telling me it's fully charged. And then I'll go down there, and then we'll go down there. When I'm in the red, I'm almost out, I would guess. I don't actually know, but I think that's it. But remember folks, when it's off, even this won't work. And I tell you this because I've just changed a fuse, and then I thought I would be able to tell by that, but because it was off, it wasn't telling me. But then when I switched it on, it did tell me. So that's just, when this is off, standalone, you can still check how much charge there is in it, but you need to make sure it's on around the side here. Alright guys, that's it. When it's off, this doesn't even work. You've got to switch it on. Bye bye.